Hi guys, welcome to the tutorial. I'm Hinky, and today I'll be showing you how to avoid pant fitting problems. So I'll be giving you some tips on how to draft your pattern in order to avoid pant fitting problems. So you can see the picture on the screen, and this is my client. So I'll be taking measurements on her now. So I'm using a plus size client because they tend to have issues with their trousers. So just take note of how I do the measurement on this plus size client. So I'll first of all take the trouser length. So the trouser length, you are going to ask her where she places her waist, her trouser waist. Then you take a trouser length from there. But take note, this trouser length I'm taking is not what I will eventually use. Because as you are taking this trouser length, it's as if you are taking the skirt length. You will just take it so that to cross check. I have 38 inches here as the trouser length, but at the end of this tutorial I'll be using 40.5. Just take note how I arrive at that. For a knee is 19, a short is 17. So this is how I will take the measurement on my pattern paper. This is how to take all your vertical measurements. So after you have taken all your vertical measurements from the waist, then you start inputting the circumference. But another measurement I will take now is the inseam. It is very important to get your inseam correctly if you want to avoid problems. So I'll be taking the inseam like this. Just give her the tape measure and let her put it where she just put it and take the inseam. The inseam is 31.5 and the crotch height at the front is 9 inches. I will take that one later, and that equals to 40.5, which gives us the actual trouser length. So here I want to take the back crotch depth. So the back crotch depth is very essential, especially on people of plus size, because of their back, especially for those that has a bigger back side. So she'll be taking the back crotch like so. I have 16 inches for the back crotch, and that is why I extended the back crotch here by 4 inches, as you can see on my pattern paper, and on the waist I extended it up by 3 inches. So if you do that, you'll be able to have enough allowance to accommodate the big back side. So after I have done that, I can now move to the front to take the front crotch. So the front crotch can be taken by sitting on a flat surface and taking the measurement like as seen on the screen, or you can just determine it the way I am putting my finger. So if you cannot determine it like that, use that sitting on a flat surface method. So I have 9 inches. And I have told you this is the way you're going to input it on your pattern paper. All your vertical measurement from your waist down to your crotch, to your hip, and to your lap. So you're first of all going to take all the vertical measurements. So I have 9 inches for my crotch. Then 2 inches below crotch is the lap, and 2 inches above crotch is the hip. So you're going to take the circumference measurement of the lap like so. The circumference measurement, you must be able to place your finger in. So on the lap, I have 32 inches circumference. That's why I have 8 there. 32 divided by 4 is 8. And on the knee, I have 20 as the circumference. That is why I have 5 here. 20 divided by 4 is 5. On here, I have 12. That is why I divided by 4 and I have 3 on the ankle. So from the picture on the screen, you can see 38 inches trouser length will not get to the ankle. So the best way to take your crotch, to take your trouser length is to add your crotch, front crotch plus the inseam. So that's the best way to get your trouser length. So in summary, get your back and front crotch right, get your inseam right, and make sure your skirt length is not your trouser length. So we have come to the end of this tutorial, and for more tips like this, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.